Assalamu alaikum. Myself Muhammad Asad and this is my channel Draw with Asad Yunus. Let me introduce myself. I'm professional artist, digital artist, having experience in digital art more than 5 years experience. That's why I want to teach you how to be great in digital artworks. Clean liner. How to draw a clean liner? Let me show you. First we have to make A4 paper and we have to make a solid, and don't forget to click on this pressure icon. You can see here use black color and make it strokes. How to make stroke more awesome? First you have to always draw the strokes fast and draw stroke fast. It makes smooth. See, you can see it's good. Yes, it's good. And the more you do, the more you can get a good confidence in your hand. Also you can use rough sketch like I have in my right hand. That is Baby Yoda. I'm using. See here. Now I'm tracing this. See. You can see it was very good when we already made rough sketch. Trace it carefully. I'm using Photoshop, don't forget this. You can also use another software. Other software have this kind of facial, line art, etc. And digital also good for learning. You can see it's good. So looks like this. So today class is completed. I hope you like this video, and if you have any question regarding this video, please ask below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.